Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing fine. So today we are gonna share with you an easy healthy salad recipe for weight loss. Extremely easy to make and taste delicious. Try this recipe for your quick weight loss diet plan and lose fat faster. Take a cabbage, remove some of the upper leaves, and wash. Cabbage is high in fiber and packed with nutrients, vitamins, and essential antioxidants. It raises the levels of beta-carotene and lutein in the body, which lower the cholesterol levels, keep inflammation in check, improve digestion, help cleaning the colon, and boost weight loss. Cut the cabbage thinly. Take about 3 cups. Add 1 cup of grated carrot, a ½ cup chopped onion, some chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. For less oil mayonnaise recipe, please check the link below. Pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon honey. Now mix well. Enjoy your delicious weight loss salad any time of the day. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share for your weight loss diet plan. Subscribe us for more easy and healthy recipes. See you in the next video.